I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Health or the Clock app and tapping Sleep to begin setup. Choose a realistic sleep goal in hours and set the first bedtime and wake time. This creates the baseline schedule. Once done, enable Wind Down to shorten app distractions before bed and turn on Sleep Focus so notifications mute automatically. You do this now because consistent timing trains your circadian rhythm and reduces sleep latency, making the rest of the setup meaningful and effective. Next, customize the middle details. Set separate schedules for weekdays versus weekends so your routine stays realistic. Add wind-down shortcuts like meditation, lights-off scenes, or a favorite playlist to cue your brain. Choose an alarm sound and vibration that wake you gently. Make sure Sleep Focus is linked to the schedule so it turns on and off automatically. If you have an Apple Watch, enable Track Sleep on Watch for more accurate metrics. Otherwise, allow iPhone motion sensing to log rest periods. Finally, monitor your first few nights and review sleep and health to see total time and consistency, then tweak bedtime or wake time to hit your goal. Make sure wind down duration suits you and that the allowed apps in focus won't interrupt sleep. Confirm alarms are set and audible. If Sleep Focus doesn't activate, check the focus schedule, allowed app exceptions, and that the feature is synced across devices. Restarting the phone or updating iOS often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.